Now coming to question number 4, what does the question number 4 says? A pen stand made of wood in the shape of cuboid and conical depressions are there. Conical depression means the shape of cone is carved out from this. Some volume of this cone is taken out of the block. We need to find the volume of the wooden block. What we are given? Length is 15 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is for the cuboid. For cone, what we are given? Depth means height is 1.4 centimeter. Now again h is here, so we will write h1, h2. And radius is also given. Radius is 0.5 centimeter. We need to find the volume of wood. So volume of wood will be equal to volume of cuboid. Now in this something is taken out, so we will subtract volume of 4 cones. So volume of cuboid will be L into B into H1 minus 1 cone volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square H2. We have 4 cones, so multiplied with 4. L is 15 multiply 10 multiply 3.5 minus 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7. R we have 0.5 into 0.5 into height is 1.4. After solving this, the volume of cuboid comes out to be 525 minus, and solving this part you will get 1.47. You just have to write down up to 2 decimal places. This was getting continued after that also. I have written it to 2 decimal places. Subtracting this, you will get 523.53 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Now coming to question number 5. What they are saying, a vessel in the form of inverted cone like this. Some of the what they have thrown into it, which is open at the top, the height is 8 centimeter, radius is 5, it is filled with water, means it is completely filled with water. When lead shot means a round balls, small balls of the spherical balls of lead are dropped into the vessel, and what happened, 1/4 of the water comes out. You have already studied the volume of liquid displaced is equal to the volume of the object. Means the volume of this water that comes out must be equal to the volume of lead shots. We have to calculate that how many lead shots are there. For shots, shots. What we have, radius is given to be 0.5 centimeter. Again here radius we are going to use, so R1 will be the radius of shots. Cone height is 8 centimeter and radius R2 will be 5 centimeter. So let number of shots is equal to n. Volume of one shot will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Because the shape of shot is spherical, we have n multiply with n is equal to, what volume of water comes out? 1/4 volume of cone, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Here we have R1, R2. Pi cancels with pi, 3 cancels with 3. What we have? N, 4n into R1. R1 is 0.5. Whole cube is equal to 1 upon 4. R2 is 5 into 5. Height is 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We have to find n. So other things will go on the other side. 5 into 5 into 2 upon 4 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Cube was there. So the answer comes out to be 100 shots. N comes out to be 100, so answer is 100 shots. So this was it for the day. I will send you assignment based on these questions. Try to do that assignment. And you have to do all these 5 questions in your Fairname notebook as well. Thank you.